The stock of Voyager Therapeutics is starting to rebound from oversold levels in front of a key presentation tomorrow. The company is currently well-funded and is picking up more positive analyst coverage recently after an approximately 35% decline in its stock. We take a deeper look at this Tier 4 biotech concern in the paragraphs below. You cannot change a tiger into a kitten by stroking it. Franklin Delano Roosevelt Today, we look at a name that has a presentation at the 21st Annual Meeting The American Society of Gene and Cell Therapy that's taking place in Chicago from Wednesday through Saturday this week. Positive data could continue to be a catalyst for the stock. Investors seem to be anticipating this a bit as the stock is running up this week into this presentation. We take a look at this Tier 4 biotech concern in the paragraphs below. Company overview. Voyager Therapeutics, VYGR, is a Massachusetts-based concern that came public late in 2015. The stock currently has an approximate market cap of just south of $650 million and sells for around $20 a piece after this week's early rally. The company is focused on progressing its promising gene therapy candidates through the clinic to commercialization and has chosen as an area of focus neurological diseases that lack safe, effective treatment options. Pipeline. Source: company website. The company has myriad candidates in very early stage development. Voyager also has strategic collaborations with Genzyme, University of Massachusetts Medical School, University of California and Stanford University. It's using gene therapy to significantly increase or decrease production of relevant proteins at targeted sites within the central nervous system to produce the desired treatment result. Its one mid-stage drug candidate is VY-AADC, which is targeting advanced Parkinson's disease. At the conference in Chicago late tomorrow, the company will present Phase 1b data around this candidate for the treatment of advanced Parkinson's disease. Dosing for Phase 2/3 studies should begin early this summer. Analyst commentary and balance sheet. The shares of VYGR moved up over 8% in trading on Friday and have continued their roll this week. On Thursday, both Cowen and Cantor Fitzgerald $35 price target reissued buy ratings on this stock. On Friday, Wedbush upgraded the shares to a buy from neutral with a price target of $28. Wedbush's analyst had this to say about the stock: given its 40% decline at that time from its March highs, risk-reward is now more favorable at these levels ahead of the company's pivotal trial start for VY-AADC. The company ended the first quarter with nearly $220 million in cash on the balance sheet. Management projects it will end 2018 with between $125 million and $135 in cash on hand, and has funding in place to fund all activities until the first half of 2020. Verdict: we originally gave a thumbs up to a watch item position in this name in August when it was selling at approximately $10 a share. The company is well-funded, has multiple early-stage shots on goal, is seeing increasingly positive analyst coverage and has a couple of upcoming catalysts in the coming days and months. After dropping by more than a third from its highs earlier this year, accumulating a small stake of this emerging gene therapy concern within a well-diversified biotech portfolio still seems prudent. In addition, for those comfortable with simple option strategies, we believe Voyager makes a good buy-right candidate at current trading levels. An appeaser is one who feeds a crocodile, hoping it will eat him last. Winston S. Churchill. Author's note: if you would like to get these types of articles as soon as they are published, just become a real-time follower of the Busted IPO forum by clicking here, hitting the big orange follow button, and selecting the real-time alerts option. Disclosure: we are long VYGR. I wrote this article myself, and it expresses my own opinions. I am not receiving compensation for it, other than from seeking alpha. I have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this article.